Yes.
Can it be? Bolts of energy fill the air. You are worthy of the lightning round.
Oh, nice. We have to get all the zones. Get to the second round and get bonuses. Oh, looks like we got it. Oh god. Yep. We have to get all the zones to get to the final round.
Let us give a warm Dares of Eternity welcome to our special guest.
Guardian down. Guardian down.
Oh god. Well, I'm up here and no. So, gotta get A and B. Looks like we have it. Ah!
You are tonight's champion.
Oh, so much stuff!
Please take your
Oh,
winnings
God.
and thank
I can't.
you for playing Dares of Eternity.
Can't carry it all.
And this is
Damn.
Zerg, reminding you to have your ghost stay.
Will that go in my
Good night.
Oh damn. Oh, not bad. What did I get?